Good, good morning, everyone. This is Saturday, April 24th or 25th. I have to check, but I'm here at Lexus dealership, do some oil change. So right now I just drop off the car, and I figure I'd just take some pictures of the new car that's coming up for Lexus. So here's the dealer's loaner car. I'm trying to. Most of them was SUV. I see a lot of SUV. Big SUVs. Yeah. I mean, this dealership it's mostly SUVs. I am not going to walk too far because you guys probably seen this on because I'm not going to review a car or anything, so I just wanted to share with you the amenities in the waiting room and lounge room. So I'm going to share with you the lounge room real quick. So we decided to step outside a little bit because inside is a little bit as you know, every time you get some fresh air, you always take advantage of that. So here we go. I am not going to speak too much because I don't want to disturb people. So there's the showroom right there. This is some accessories if you want to buy it. This is the part place. If you want to buy some parts. I actually bought some touch-up paint earlier. I'll share that with you. So here's touch-up paint that I just bought earlier. This is the lounge room. This is if you want to work while you're waiting for your car. So I'm gonna share it with you guys. Even announce nice lounge. This is a relaxation lounge. These are the amenities while you're waiting for your car to be serviced. Okay. So you can take advantage of this while you're waiting for your car. This I was on using this earlier, so it takes like 20 minutes. So you can do a Chinese lounge, Thai lounge, or relaxation. And so, I mean, the relax lounge, Chinese lounge is the best. Thai is not always good. It's not good. It hurts your back. So don't any foods of Thai and stuff. Try to avoid that as possible. Right now, Thai's. I see a lot of articles that there's a lot of recalls on Thai's Thai food. So let me turn it back off real quick. Yep. This is the relaxed lounge. As you can see, it's pretty relaxing. That's it, guys. That's all I just want to share about. Bye-bye.